Faith is not something you feel. Faith is something you build. And now I want to show you how. Because millions of people believe in God, but struggle to access His power. Prayers go unanswered. Faith feels inconsistent. Relationships fall apart. In my book, How to Jumpstart Your Faith in 21 Days, I reveal the step-by-step process that allows you to pray with confidence and believe with certainty and experience God's favor in your life. Just check out my new website at mervinjanuary.org. I also have another published book entitled Finding and Choosing the Right Mate, where you will discover proven strategies from my 24 years of personal marital experiences. The target audience includes 3 sets of people: those who are married and want to strengthen what they already have, those who desire to be married and want to build on a solid foundation from the start, and those who have experienced challenges, setbacks, or brokenness and are ready to restore, rebuild, and move forward with wisdom and confidence to strengthen relationships, restore what's broken, and walk in wisdom. You can't Facebook faithfulness, and you cannot Instagram integrity. Real transformation happens through real relationship with God. I am Pastor Mervin, your spiritual sommelier, helping believers discern what faith requires in every season. And if you're wondering whether this can really work for you, if you've been disappointed before, if you prayed and haven't seen results, or if you feel like your situation is too far gone, this message is especially for you. Because God specializes in restoring what seems impossible. He doesn't require perfection. He responds to willingness. And when you apply proven spiritual principles consistently, transformation is not only possible, it is inevitable. Visit mervinjanuary.org today. Jumpstart your faith, strengthen your relationships, and transform your life. God bless you.